welcome to my happy umbrella. My name is Rashi and today's video is about how to set table for your kid's birthday morning. This is the second time I'm doing this for my son and it is his third birthday this year. Everything I have used for decorating in this video is from Party City and the gifts come from Target. So let's watch it.
H-I-J-K, not a rugby. Q-R-S-T-U-V, W-X-Y-and-Z. Now my A-B-C's. Just my one, you see and make me.
Yay!
Come.
Yay!
Happy birthday.
Yeah.
बढ़िया बढ़िया.
1, 2, 3.
So guys, this was the whole setup I have created. Hope you guys have enjoyed it. If you like it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.